What's going on, guys? Caleb here, back with another video, and today I'm unboxing the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. First things first, if you're new to the channel, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. And hit the notification bell for future videos just like these. So as you can see, I have the space gray version right in front of me here, and without further ado, let's get into this thing. The iPhone Pro also comes in silver, midnight green, and gold, as you can see. Also, to go along with this new phone, I of course got a case. So let's get into this thing. As you can see, I got the 64 gig model. That's all I need. I don't need any more than that. I only use about half of it. Just an regular Apple logos on the side and the text iPhone, of course, on the box. Let's open it up. And there it is. It really is a great looking device. That frosted back, it really does make a difference from the XS. Let's set that to the side. Now in the box this year, just like every year, Apple has the phone itself, a designed in California pamphlet, which includes all the regulation, paperwork, and of course, Apple stickers. Would have been nice though if they would have color coded it like they did with the MacBook Air last year. That would have been really cool. Also in the box, we finally have an 18-watt fast charger brick in the box. No longer do we have to deal with the 5-watt charger, unless of course you pick the iPhone 11, which does unfortunately still come with that. Also in the box we get earpods, and we get a new cable that is a USB-C to Lightning connector. It is rumored that it will go fully USB-C next year for the 2020 iPhones, but right now, this is what we got. You can see here the frosted back. It gets a little bit of fingerprints on it, but it's not nearly as bad as that glossy back. And this year, no plastic on the back like in past years. But just look at this thing. It really is amazing. Now, these three cameras are telephoto, wide, and ultra wide. You can see with these three photos from the telephoto wide and ultra wide, a lot more scenery that you can take. And also, this year, Apple introduced with the iPhone 11 night mode, and you can see here the difference with that. Same as last year, the stainless steel bands, and of course that will be color coded to whatever color you go with. These are kind of black looking because this is the space gray. So let's boot it on. That boot up only took 19 seconds, so seems faster to me compared to the XS. Same splash screens for when you're setting up a new phone. I won't go through that, this is just an unboxing, but you can see this is an amazing phone. Now let's set this to the side and open up the case that I got for it. Again, I got this from Amazon, and it was only less than 10 bucks. I got other prices through other clear cases, and they wanted, like 30 bucks or something. And what's really the point? This case is hard. It does the same job. It's liquid crystal, so it's clear, and you get to see the phone. So that's the main thing for me. And you can see it's packaged very nice. Plastic on both sides to protect it. And without getting any dirt in it, I'm going to put the phone in and call it a day. It is worth noting that your old iPhone XS or XS Max or 10, it will not work with the iPhone 11 because the volume button and the power button are shifted down. Anyway guys, that's going to do it for this video on the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe for future content just like this coming real soon on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. See ya.